Welcome to my channel. Today we will make Caesar salad, which is very tasty and healthy. For that we need Romaine lettuce or iceberg lettuce. Romaine lettuce are of the bright green color, which is very beautiful, and the salad looks very appetizing. Take one cucumber. It could be English cucumber or any cucumber. Cut them to bite-sized pieces or as big or small as you wish. Take 5 to 10 grape tomatoes, which are a wonderful addition to the salad. They look beautiful and taste really good. Cut them to halves and add it to the vegetables. Take 2 heads of fresh spring onions, wash and cut them to fine pieces. Now add the vegetables to a bowl. The tomatoes, lettuce, the cucumber and the spring onions. Mix them well and add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of sugar, which keeps the vegetables bright and as well as crispy. Now for the dressing, take 1 tablespoon of milk, half a tablespoon of curd, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper powder. Mix all this well and add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar and about 3 to 4 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Now this has to be a homogeneous mixture, so use a blender or a beater. You can also use a hand whisk, which will take a little more time, but the most important thing is that the oil should not float on top. It should all be well blended, so mix it in a way that it gets the right type of consistency. It should be of a very creamy consistency like this. It should be white and creamy. So this is the right consistency. I have taken 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese. You can use Parmesan cheese or any processed cheese as you wish. Mix it. This is a very thick consistency, so you can add 1 more tablespoon of milk to make it a little thinner to a dropping consistency. Now the vegetables have been resting for about an hour, so the salt, pepper and lemon juice have all blended very well with the vegetables and the vegetables are crispy. Add 1 tablespoon of the dressing to it, not more than that. Mix it, and the rest of the dressing can be added when you are eating, otherwise the vegetables will become soggy. Vegetables need to be crispy to have a very good taste, only then the salad will taste very good. Now add the dressing, mix it, and for extra taste you can add cheese cubes, any cheese cubes. It could be cheddar, it could be any other cheese of your choice, and you can also add some grated mozzarella cheese to it, which gives a very good appearance to the salad. So Caesar salad made in the right way is very tasty. It needs very few ingredients and very less time to make a very healthy and tasty salad. You can take it with croutons, which gives extra taste to it. If you don't have croutons, you can cut the bread to this size pieces. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil or sunflower oil. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and half a teaspoon of oregano. No salt needed because bread has salt in it. And you can bake it in an oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes or fry it on tawa to this consistency. Add this to the salad. It is very good. Try it and do not forget to comment. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.